So let us continue our lecture. In last lecture we have seen take the input for physics, chemistry, mathematics dynamically. Okay, now we will go ahead and see advanced method. In last lecture we have seen how to take user input dynamically and create the list for, okay, 1D only, 1D. In this video we will see how to create 2D using input. Okay, so here this is the example of static list, static 2D array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. My matrix, I get the output 1 2 3. I just make the change 11 33 53 and see the output. What happened? I got the output. Okay, 11. This is the list. This is the list data structure, my matrix, and I am converting np this my matrix into np.array my matrix. When I run the code, I get this modified list 11 2 23 4 52 6 7 8 9. Next is np.array my matrix print k type of k. Okay, so what I get here, this is the, I again run the code, this is the modified code. I get print k, type of k is n dimensional array. This is the np.array, this is the n dimensional array. And if I, okay, let us see the code to take physics, chemistry, mathematics dynamically from user. Okay, this is the example of static array. Now I want to create this dynamic array here. Okay, already the same code I have explained in last video also. We are repeating this again one more time. You can skip the video for 2 minutes. You can move ahead. And this is 2D example. So here let us run the code first. I run the code. How many students are there? We will take the same example. What I do, 32, I will do this 11 11 11. Okay, 11 11 11. How many students are there? कितने बच्चे भाई? 3 students. Okay, 3 students are there. You can check here. Physics marks 22, chemistry marks 33, 22, math marks 22 for first students. 22, math mark 22. Now this is the physics marks for second student, chemistry marks, mathematics mark 33, 34, 35. Math mark, sorry, physics, chemistry, math mark for third students 11, 11, 11. Now you can see here we have generated this list. Can you see this? 22, 22, 22. First student, 33, 33, 33, 33, 34, 35 second student, 11, 11, 11 third student. Just check it. 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 33, 33, 33, 33, 34, 35, sorry, 11, 11, 11. So this is the example of taking inputs, generating input 2D array dynamically using NumPy. So how to do it? It's very simple. Create physics array, create chemistry array, okay, create math array, math list, and append this list in list data structure and pass that list data structure as a parameter to np.array. So let us see the example. Import NumPy as np3, number of students, input how many students, mark list, this is the list data structure that we are passing as a parameter to the function. And here we see physics, chemistry, math, enter marks of student 1, physics, chemistry, math, and here we are appending mark list, append physics, chemistry, math. So the moment this code get executed for the first student, I get 22, 22, 22. We are entering physics, chemistry, math for first student. Then when I becomes 1, when I 0, this is the value. When I 0, this is the value. Then I becomes 1. Again I get marks of student second, physics 33, chemistry 34, maths 35. Okay, physics, chemistry, math, and again append. So now there are 2 rows got appended. First row got appended first when I 0, first row got appended when I is 1, second row got appended. Now when I is 2, again enter marks of third students, physics, chemistry, math, append, physics, chemistry, math, append. That's it. And finally print mark list. Here I see, you see, I get, this is the list data structure. This is the least data structure. Mark list array is, this is the least, mark list is the least, list, least data structure. I have printed this mark list, print mark list. You see the output is in the list format. This is the list format. Means what? If I print here mark list 0, then I will get this. Mark list 1, I will get this. Mark list 2, I will get this. Okay. And finally convert it into marks array, np3.array mark list, okay. I'm passing this list as a parameter to this function np3.array, and finally print marks array, and you can see the output. Marks NumPy array, row equal to student, column equal to subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 1 physics, subject column 1 physics, column 1 physics, column 2 chemistry, column 3rd math. And here if you see this physics, chemistry, math. Okay. And when I say axis equal to 1, I am following this row wise I go. When I say axis equal to 1, when I say axis equal to, I go by, when axis equal to 1, I go by column wise. When I say axis equal to 1 sum, I get sum of 22 plus 33 plus 11. When axis equal to, I get row wise sum. Okay, we'll see in this video now. Now built-in methods. Okay, built-in methods now. We'll see built-in methods in next video.